Oh my gosh, thank you. New hair, new confidence, literally new life. You must be tired of hearing this from so many of your grateful clients.
No, I could never get tired of hearing it. Hearing that you are happy and that your life is changed, that is the ultimate goal. We are not in the hair business, we're in changing lives business. I understand the emotion because I lived through it with my husband. You know, he went through this for so many years, being unhappy. So I totally understand.
You have instilled in the entire team here at PAI this family ethic. I mean, everybody brings so much care and so much nurturing to the process. I did a lot of research before my procedure. There's a big difference here at PAI Medical Virginia. I figured it out really early on. It's the people. It's you. It's your entire team.
You know, everyone that comes through the door and becomes our patient, that's exactly how we want them to feel.
They're wonderful people. They have wonderful people. I mean, you just feel so much at home.
So I called PAI Medical Virginia, and that's where it all started. That was the answer to my prayers. They were so reassuring, so understanding of what was going on, but most importantly, because he's away, they were so accommodating to his schedule. So they met him on a Saturday. Who does that?
And we want every single patient to feel like part of our family.
You know, it is such a personal thing when somebody comes in. It's not, this isn't a medical decision, it's a personal decision that people are making. And you helped me make that decision.
That's right. Everyone has different objectives. Some people will tell me, you know, it's my hairline that bothers me, but the back, I don't see it, so I don't care. And other people, it's the opposite. And also every person's hair is different. Curly, straight, thinner, thicker. And so it's really important to have the plan tailored to their specific situation and their objectives.
You're in the happiness business. You're in the business of making people happy and giving them confidence and changing their lives.
Yes.
That's amazing.
And I love, love, love what I do. And you know, Larry, I really want to thank you. Thank you for everything you do for us. You have no idea how sharing your story step by step helps people make a decision. If you're not happy with yourself, you're not going to be the best person you can be. So if you can change it, just why not do it?